we are making a barbecue shredded king oyster mushrooms and onions and a delicious cabbage stir fry with our delicious bed of romaine lettuce and avocado and my most favorite homemade salad dressing. This is a soul nourishing recipe full of vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. We're going to start with cutting up our green peppers, which is packed with vitamin C, A, fiber, vitamin K, potassium, vitamins B6, and carotenoids. I love green peppers packed with beta carotene from the vitamin A, great for our eyes and cellular health. The fiber is great for our gut health and our digestive system, and overall packed with antioxidants and has great anti-inflammatory properties. Next, we're going to be chopping up a carrot, which also has amazing nutrient benefits such as fiber, vitamin A, biotin, vitamin C, K, potassium, and vitamin B6. Carrots are extremely packed with vitamin A, again, which is great for our eye health and for our immune system. Also a great source of vitamin C, which is important for growth, development, and repair of our body's tissues and our immune system, which is so vital to have our immune system prepared for anything around these crazy times. So it has potassium, which is great to help us lower our blood pressure, and vitamin B6, which is something which helps convert food into our energy. So we have a vibrant, glowing energy throughout the day. Next ingredient is this beautiful cabbage, which also is high in fiber, vitamin K, C, folate, magnesium, vitamin B6, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Another ingredient which is high in fiber, which is just amazing for our gut health. This is going to help us manage our weight, especially if you're someone who wants to lose weight. Cabbage is a great vegetable to incorporate in your daily diet. Also including vitamin K, which is great for our blood circulation and promoting our overall bone health. Also packed with polyphenols, which is just great for our overall immune system. Cabbage is one of my favorite vegetables to stir fry in with other vegetables because they're so filling. So if you want to still feel full, but you want to be eating something low in calorie, yes. Cabbage is going to be your bestie. Yep, cabbage is my best friend because it's just, and also it takes up a lot of seasoning very well. So if you like seasoning your food, cabbage makes things very flavorful. Next, we're going to add our extra virgin olive oil to a pan, and once we get that heated up, that's when we're going to add all of our beautiful vegetables we just chopped. This is one of my favorite stir fries because all of these ingredients are so amazing. Like, this is the perfect side to any dish. Like, I literally eat this mostly every week because I can eat it with anything, eat it with salads, and just eat it with any foods that you want to have a side, or even I eat this alone, like as a snack. That's how delicious this is, and it's so good with holding the flavor from different spices. So if you have some spices that you want to add to this dish, just use your discretion and have fun. Also, if you want to add other vegetables to this dish, that is definitely an option that you can do. So I'm just stirring this around. I do have the pan on high heat because I want to get that little char kind of consistency a little bit on my vegetables. So that's why I'm stirring it kind of fast so my vegetables don't burn. I'm adding Himalayan sea salt. I added black pepper as well. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. The aroma, that actually rhymes with my name, aroma. So if you were wondering how to say my name, yes, you say it aroma. I just love my spices. I have to do a little bam, bam, bam of that black pepper, okay? I'm a girl that loves flavor. I love seasoning, I'm not gonna lie. But this dish will just be just as good if you're watching your sodium intake, just with some of the sea salt that we added earlier. I'm just extra because I love to have a lot of flavor in my vegetables. Up next, you know what we have up? It's the king, baby. King oyster mushroom. I love oyster mushrooms because they have powerful antioxidants that help reduce cellular damage. That's going to help us prevent heart disease, cardiovascular diseases, and also help with reducing our blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Oyster mushrooms are also really great for our cognitive health. Just love the texture of this mushroom when it's shredded up. Eating a whole foods, plant-based diet, this allows me to have versatility with eating like a chicken texture type of food, and this really gives me that taste. Going to chop one onion, which is going to be sauteed soon, with our pulled mushrooms. Our extra virgin olive oil, which is really great with cooking because it sustains very high heat. Once it gets hot, we're going to add our onion. Then we're going to let our onion saute for a couple minutes. Now we're going to add our king oyster mushroom. We're going to let this saute with our onions. Going to add these optional seasonings: Obey seasoning, grounded red pepper, Habanero pepper, also adding some black pepper, and we're just going to stir fry this and letting all of those flavors from the seasoning, the mushroom, the onions, everything marinate and saute. This pulled mushrooms is so full of flavor, you just have to try it. I just love this. This is my definitely go-to. I eat it with salads, I eat it on the side with different dishes. You can eat this as a fajita, you can eat this like a sandwich, just so many versatile ways that you can eat this. And the texture is just so amazing, it just tastes so good. You can eat it as a snack. This is just one of my favorite go-to weekly meals. I hope your day is going amazing. By the way, I'm sending you tons of good energy, and unexpected blessings are coming to you this week. Believe it and you will receive it. Then we're going to add some organic barbecue sauce. You can use your discretion. I just think a little bit goes a long way. And then we're just going to stir fry this just for a couple more minutes, and we're all done. Then you have your beautiful barbecue pulled king oyster mushrooms ready to enjoy, along with our cabbage vegetable stir fry. I added some avocado on the side here, also some romaine lettuce, and my homemade salad dressing, which will be in the description. For more healthy recipes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.